We're now recording one of the strangest things I've seen in a long time. Two birds appear to be sparring with each other in the sky. One of them is a crow, and one of them is we're not really sure, a white bird of some kind. A hawk, a crow and a hawk. And if you look at them, it appears that they're actually going at it in the sky. This Sunday morning has become very exciting, very strange all of a sudden. Look at these two. Whoa. Looks like they almost made contact. Here they are again. Oh. Here they are again, the two of them. You can see the hawk on the bottom, the crow on the top, and they almost make impact. And then they don't, they separate.